So, good morning everyone. I'm Rex Multifagbro. Our topic for today is all about multimedia element or video. So, what is the purpose of using videos? So, here is the purpose of using videos. Video is an excellent tool for delivering multimedia. Video plays that highest performance demand on a computer and its memory and storage. Digital videos has replaced analog as the method of the choice for making and delivering video for multimedia. Digital video device produces excellent finished product at a fraction of the cost and of analog laserdiscs. So here is the four source of the videos. First is the video cassette or VCR. The video cassette record or VCR known as a video recorder. Type of electromechanical device that uses removable videotape cassette that contains magnetic tape for recording audios and videos from television's broadcasts. Image and sounds can be played back at more convenient time. Second is Betacam. It's a family of half-inch professional video tape product. It was developed by Sony in 1982. Betacam simply is often used to refer to a Betacam recorder, a Betacam type. The Betacam video recorder or the format itself. All Betacam use the same shape cassette, meaning bolts and other storage facilities do not have to be changed when upgrading to a new format. So the third is the Laserdisc. It's a home video disc format and was the first commercial optical disc storage medium. The format itself produces a consistently higher quality image than its rivals. The VHS and a Betamax systems, it was poorly received in North America. So the fourth is the camcorder. Camcorder, video camera recorder, is an electronic device that combines a video camera and video recorder into one unit. Equipment manufacturers do not seem to have strict guidelines for the term's usage, capable for recording videos like mobile phones and digital compact cameras. Generally identifies as a portable, self-contained device having videos, captures, and recording as its primary functions. So here is the different styles of videos. So the first is the live actions videos. Live actions videos is a recording of either stills or moving objects. It's about real people and real locations rather than creating things digitally. So when and where to use the live in action? Tutorial videos. Live actions is one of the best ways to create an emotional bond with your viewers. And the welcome videos. Add a human face to your digital interface with a live actions welcome videos on your website. About me videos. Tell your story in your own word with your own voice. Sales videos. Sales videos benefit from the live actions because it adds more layers to your marketing. So the second is the animation. Animation is a video styles made from many still images. When images are played together, one after another, they give the illusions of movement. When and where to use live. Marketing and promotional videos. Shows off your unique brand with animated marketing and promotional videos that presently reflect your brand styles, energy, and personality. Explainer videos or explain videos that showcase the details of your product of service don't have to be dry and boring. Spice things up with some animations and make your videos entertaining and engaging. So the third is the whiteboard videos. It tells that creating stories with pictures drawn on the whiteboard, something that resembles a whiteboard, or by artists who are recording their artistic process. So when we're to use it. So whiteboard videos are great for number heavy presentations because they make it easy to get a good rhythm or alternating talking and writing to maximize viewers comprehensions. Draw through bubbles, graphs, diagram, charts, and anything creative to enhance your informations videos. So the fourth is motion graphics videos. So videos are styles or animations that uses text and shape to communicate, but these types of videos don't usually tell a story. So when were you to use live? So motion graphics effectively communicate completed ideas in an easily digestible way. This makes them ideal with trying to describe a product, service, and epic a result. When you want to show how you mean to accomplish something or how something was accomplished, emotion graphics are the great way to getting the job done. So the fifth is the typographic videos. Typographic videos is a moving text or kinetic. Typographic is an emotions technique that blends movement and words to express ideas. When were to use? Typographic is a great technique when you have one simple concept or feeling to share. In the above videos, the way that particular videos looks and move evokes certain emotions. When you want to cram information into a short time frame, fast typographic is an awesome choice, even if your prospects don't consciously catch every word. Subconsciously, they get the guess. Kinetic typographic can do talking and pack in tones and energy without making a sound. So the sixth is screencast videos. A screencast videos is a digital recording or a computer screen, often containing voice-over narrations. So when were to use? Screencast is arguable the most efficient way to explain how the certain applications works. Screencast tools. So here is the application is the Camtasia. It's a software suite for creating videos, tutorials, and presentations directly via screencast or PowerPoint. And ScreenFlows is a screencasting and videos editing software for macOS. It can capture the audio and video from the computer, edit that captured videos, add highlights or annotations, and output of a number of different file types like AIFF, GIF, M4V or MOV or MP4. So the 7 is an action screencast. Live action screencast videos combine the best or on camera or on screen videos with screencast videos. So when we're to use live, live is an action screencast is a perfect for YouTube, how to videos, and video blog posts because it solves the problem or boredom. So hybrid videos tools. So Zoom is an easy reliable platform for videos and audio conferencing, collaborations, chat, or webinar across mobile device, desktop, telephones, and room systems. YouTube Live lets you share your videos with your friends, family, and the world. So the 8 is the live streaming. Live streaming broadcasts the live videos straight to your viewers on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or on your own website. When we're to use live. This one's all about social media. Live streaming is excellent when you want to bring your audience into a current and intimate experience. So the video streaming tools is the Facebook Live. It's a way to broadcast live to your Facebook followers. Instagram Live is an app with a broadcast live to your followers in a real time. Or OBS Studios. It's a free or open source cross-platform streaming and recording program. So the last is the photo montage. Photo montage is a slideshows combine photos with music and videos over to tell the story and usually conjure up deep emotions. So when and where to use live. Social media posts, welcome videos, and about me videos are great place for photos montage because they all offer an opportunity to show off some emotion content. So photo montage tools. It's the Animoto. It's a cloud-based video creation service that produce videos from photos, video clips, and music into videos, slideshows, and customized web-based presentation. So that's all, and thank you very much and keep safe everyone. Bye.